Hi, in this short video I'm going to replace the battery of this Parkside screwdriver, and actually I already took it out. The reason is that the span of this battery was very short. While I was using the screwdriver, I could barely use it for 10-15 minutes, and then I had to recharge it again. So yeah, it says it's 1500 milliamp hours. It's not a lot actually. I had still a couple of these 18650 batteries, so I'm going to try to put it in this drill. So actually I already unscrewed it. Let's hope it will come apart easily. Yep. It's a very nice system actually. You can change the bits just by rotating it. And yeah, here it is. Okay, so let's see. It's actually here. Yeah, as you can see, I already took the old one out. It's not very handy to show you, but yeah, this is where it will go. And as you probably noticed, on my workbench I have a spot welder, and yeah, it was actually a pretty cheap welder, but it's 5000 watts, and yeah, I tested it, and it does weld strips of 0.1 millimeters quite easily. So I will show you in a moment. We can do a small test also to see how it works. I will show you before we proceed to attaching it to these terminals. So let's do it now, maybe. Okay, let's cut two small strips. It came with the welder actually, so it's pretty handy. I have a piece of MDF. Now we can just make a cross and turn it on, like on setting 5. I tried like a higher setting, but it was too strong for 0.1 millimeters. It made a hole in it, so we'll just try it on setting 5. And down under my desk, I can maybe reach it. There's like a pedal that you can press with your foot, and yeah, it will spot weld. So let's do it. Okay, put it in place, and then I'm going to press it, and there it is. It does smell a bit, so yeah, it's really, I cannot take it apart, so it's really well welded. It's nice. Well, I can show you to maybe put it on setting 6 as I did before. and it is really strong, so let's try it. And 1, 2, 3, and didn't burn a hole through this time, but maybe because the battery was still a bit stronger. So, but anyhow, that's how it works. So we can try to spot weld this battery. I think these connectors are still usable a little bit. Not optimal, but I don't feel like replacing the whole strip and solder the wires to it. So let's just try with this. So first, let's try the minus first. So it's like this. Wonder if this will work. Okay. So I think maybe I should like hold it first with this one. And it's not so easy, but maybe it's pretty short. Okay, so like this and this. Yeah, okay, here we go. And come on, do it. Yes. Okay. No. No, maybe this strip is a bit thicker. So let's try a bit stronger setting. Let's put it to 8. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And weld. That didn't make a spark. It seems it's stuck. Maybe one more time. 2 more dots of weld. And up and yeah. All right. Oh, now I broke the strip and it came loose. So maybe I should clean it up a bit, and I think we'll have to replace this strip. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back. Off camera, I have removed the shrink tubing from this connector, and I think it should be like enough to try to connect it again. So yeah, you can see that the wire ends here, and it's a bit of solder, but we should still have enough to weld it. If not, then I can always go back and redo the connections, but let's see if this will save us some time. So I'll cut this piece off, this loose piece, and we'll fire up the spot welder. Just put it on 6 maybe. Yeah, 6, it's okay. And yeah, from the last weld, this it's not very clean. Maybe we can try to clean it up with sandpaper. Not sure if this will work. Help a bit, maybe. Yeah, I think it's a bit better. So let's try and redo this. Foot on the pedal. Yeah, this one looks solid. So okay, hold this in place and that in place, and let's weld. No, yes, okay, and this time, yep, it works. It's stuck, so that should be good enough. Okay, now let's try the other side. All parts are coming loose. We'll figure that out later. So let's do this side. Okay, maybe I could also remove the shrink tubing from here. Yeah, that's how I did the previous one. Yeah, maybe it's better. This part looks a bit cleaner. Okay, and I can maybe, yeah, actually I could, let's keep it like this. Okay, and cut off this. Okay, let's hope that the, oh darn, it came loose. It's not good. Okay, I'm going to try it last time. If it won't get stuck now, I'm going to resolder it. Okay, maybe try higher setting, 7. Okay, okay, let's keep sliding. I need another hand. Okay, and press. Yeah, nope. I think I'm not applying enough pressure to it. Maybe I could take this out. Yeah, this comes out, kind of. Maybe if I put it like this. And now I can try to hold it. Okay, let's try now. Not really. Even higher. And didn't make a lot of noise, but it seems it's better now. Okay, now the other side. Yeah, like this. Not so easy to do this. I could maybe make it a bit flatter. I don't have pliers at hand. Maybe you can try it with this thing. Okay. How about now? Hold it like, going to hold it with this side, and then apply the pressure here and press the pedal. Here we go. I did do something. One more time. Okay. And it looks like it's welded. Okay. I'm curious if it will work. So it's okay. It's not perfect. It's not perfect by any means, but it does hold. So let's see, where's the button? The button was, I think this is the button. So if I press here, it should start spinning, and it does. Nice. And reverse. That works too. All right. Okay. Now let's turn this one off. Put it a bit aside. And let's try next challenge to assemble it back together. It was like this. This was, let's see, I think this was outside. Let's put it in view of the camera. It's kind of hard to do stuff and record at the same time. But how was it? Where was this motor? I think here. I need to pull it out. Oh yes, like this. Like this, and then the battery was here. We have the, yeah, that's okay. Let's see, let's try not to break it again. The LED was here. Is the charging connector. Let me see if I can put the wire like this, so the weld will not get undone. Something like this. Yeah. Okay. And then the charger was, I think like this. We'll see. This little piece should go here, I think. the other side. Yeah, it was like this. No. Yeah, like this. Okay. And then what was, oh yeah, was this thing. This was the button. No, the button is here. So what was this? Oh yeah, I think for the reverse. So this was, let me see. This goes like this. Here. And the LED was here, I suppose. The charging LEDs. Yep. And then this we'll figure out in a minute. But we have here the kind of battery sign. So it was, I think, here. Oh, the battery sign was here. Yeah. Yeah, and the LED was, oh yeah, under, I think. Oh wait, it's like some placeholders. Yeah, it clicks in, and we go here. Okay, so that's that. And then this is the button for changing directions. I think it was something like this. So it should go here. Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah. Okay, so I need to take this out first. Ah, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Everything falls apart. Okay. Yeah, this one goes here. Battery is still in place. Connected. Yeah, still turning. All right. Now the power button. So it will go like here. Yeah. And like, let me take this out, like so. Wait, this one cannot be outside. This has to be somehow inside the, oh yeah, here. So this one stays here, battery stays here, charging LED stays here. Now another try, and come on. Yeah, almost. You can do it. You can do it, come on. No. There's something blocking here. Something is blocking here. This, not this part. Yeah, something is blocking. Let's not try to destroy this connection. Okay. The LED, charging LED. It's not in the way. So this goes here. Okay. Slowly. Now this falls out. It's not that easy. Now maybe. this power connector somehow doesn't want to go in its place. Oh, now it's stuck on the other side. Oh, that's good. That's good, but the power connector, maybe it's this side. Yeah, it should go like this, I think. Yeah. The button again came loose. Let's try it again. Yeah, and stay there. Okay. Last time. No, third time. Third time is the charm, right? So this is not going well. Slide this one in place. No, I can't, because this part won't go. Here. Again, just like Morpheus tells Neo, again, do it again, until it works. Never give up, never surrender. Another movie. Okay, let's do it slowly. Slowly, don't force anything. This one can close. This side is okay. Now here. Here. Oh, almost. Just here. This part is now in the way. Cable. Come on. We're almost there, and yes, yes, we did it. Yes. Does it still work? Yes. Reverse, forward. Well, open. Too much open. Ah, still okay. All right, so now the screws. Where did I leave the screws? They're somewhere here. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I found the screws. But I don't have screwdriver. Well, I do have one, but need one for here. This one should do. Okay, next time I'm going to prepare with all the tools that I need for next project. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. Yeah. Let's just put them all in. Yeah. And here. And last two here. All right. Yeah, it would be nice to have a... I've seen on videos like an electric screwdriver, a small one. Would really like to have one. Need to look online for it. This one works, but it's kind of slower process. Okay, we are almost there. Yep. Five more to go, I think. Yeah, this one I already did. Let's put it a bit more. Yeah, and here. Yep, 3 more left. 1. Yeah. 2. It's just screwdriver is just right. It's not. If it would be like 0.1 millimeter thicker, it wouldn't fit in these holes. And the last screw, famous last screw. Okay, and we are done. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Now, see, that's what I was telling you about. How easy it is to change the bits. It's like you just rotate, and they are there. So actually, they replaced this this screwdriver now with another one. I also have it. It's like this part like twists to make it straight, but it doesn't have this mechanism anymore. It's too bad. That's why I wanted this one to work properly. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.